Okay, so what kind of situation do we have at the moment on a now BTC? Now, from a daily perspective, we have a market that has created an impulse followed by this correction. Now, during the correction, the market created this structure. Okay, so it went first created this information, made a move up, found resistance, then it broke this resistance to the upside. At that point, you have previous resistance, which is turned support at this area. Plus, you have a minor, okay, inside impulse correction, and you expect the next impulse to the upside, and a big impulse with a huge with a huge retracement, and you expect again the continuation to the upside. So everything was indicating neo BTC from here to make this nice explosion to the upside, and that is exactly what the market has done. Also, from a weekly perspective, what do we have? We currently have a market that has first created a nice accumulation phase here. Now the push to the upside has started. Now, if this weekly candle will close here, what will have happened? What will have happened is that the market basically will have broken this previous support here, now to resistance that will be turned against support at this area. So a key structure level from a weekly perspective that will be broken to the upside. So if the market will manage to actually break this zone to the upside, then we have extremely strong weekly support at this area. From a daily perspective, as we have seen, the market has already created a huge impulse to the upside, breaking above daily structure. Now, daily structure is here, okay? We have resistance at this level, turned again resistance here, and all this resistance is turned support here. Now, if the market will actually manage to make a retracement back inside of this area, then we will have previous daily resistance now turned support, previous weekly resistance now turned support, as we have already seen from a weekly perspective. We will have the confluence of the Fibonacci taken from the low to the high of the impulse inside of this area, possibly at 0.618 confluence, which is obviously the golden ratio. So a very strong Fibonacci level, everything showing confluence of support inside of this area. So creating a beautiful area in which we can be monitoring price action from a 4-hour perspective. Now, at the moment, we don't have any confirmations for the move to the downside. The only thing that we had is just this huge move to the upside. It just hit the take profit that obviously you're supposed to be looking at a target either at the minus 27 or at the minus 0.618 of the Fibonacci taken on the daily retracement, which in this case the market has already achieved. Now, has actually achieved both targets. So at the moment, as you have seen from a 4-hour perspective, there is no weakness yet. So we don't know if the market will actually start this retracement. But first, we want to see the market start this retracement next week. Why? Because we need a weekly close above the area. If the market will actually manage to do that and give us a retracement, then definitely inside of this area, we will be monitoring price action with students on the 4-hour time frame, waiting for the market to provide to us one of our valid entries. And as soon as the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, we will be taking a nice long with a very good risk to reward and very good probabilities for continuation to the upside and creation of this impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside. So a very strong confluence zone that the market will create if it confirms a weekly close above the area and a nice retracement back inside of the zone. Now, if you enjoyed this free analysis and education, make sure you drop a like and a comment. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you. And I will see you in the next video.